Number 3. Oh, this is a good one here. This is a good one. How about you here, Rosa? Of the 350 employees in the factory, 70 are management. The rest are assembly line workers. What percentage of the factory's employees are assembly line workers?
So you have your base
Yeah, you're basing the rate.
and your rates.
No, you're basing
Your parts. You divide it.
Okay. So what do I divide?
70.
350.
No, 70 by 350.
70 by 350.
Okay,
Part
70
divided by base equals rate. And what do we get?
0.2.
So 0.0 or
0.2.
oh 0.2. Okay. And so you just move that over 2 spaces to the right, and you get 20%. It's not on there.
So then what?
No, not right.
But that's just the part of the 70, of the 71.
Okay, so let's reload it. She just gave us some good information. Because think about it, does that make sense? So if 70 are management, but there's 350 of them all,
So you have
would 20% be assembly line work? It'd be much bigger, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's reload it. Let's think again. Subtract what?
The 20% from the 350.
Okay.
and you add them.
So it would be base.
Okay. We're missing. Go ahead.
70 minus 350 is
Beautiful.
Yes.
See, what you have to do is you have to subtract management from the total.
right.
Then that gives us 280 factory workers. Now, 280 is the part of the base of 350, which is going to give us 0.80 or 80%. So this is one of those ones where you have to take an extra step and you have to look at it and say, wait a minute. I know I have the part in the base, but I don't have the part to answer this particular question. So you had to take a little interim step, because what you had was the part of management out of the whole. You had to go to get this part of factory workers so you can do out of the whole.
But even if we do it the other way around, it comes with the same answer. Because we get the 20%, supposedly the 80% is the
Right.
part they are asking for.
True. Very true.
So
But in the spirit of,
280 divided by 350?
yes, 280 divided by 350. What do you get?
0.08 or 0.8.
0.8. 80%. Make sense? But, Angelica brings up a good point. So when we got the 20%, but see on the GED test, 20% would have been one of the answers there. And 8 times out of 10, you would have just went for it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now you're correct. You could say, okay, 20% minus the 100% total and get 80.
80%.
But we got to be careful because it's multiple choice and we're under time pressure and a lot of bad stuff can happen.